I'm Elon, and you are watching Elon Art for Kids. I am eating a sweet, juicy, yummy apple. Yum. As you can see, I'm eating my model. I drew an apple, and now I'm eating my apple. Yum! It tastes really good. I looked at some great artists who drew many kinds of fruits like peaches, pears, and apples, and grapes, and strawberries, and more. Let's choose an apple for my model. Is this one good? Nah, not that one. How about this one? Nah, it looks a little weird. Let's choose another one. Maybe not that one. Maybe this one. This one is pretty good. I'll choose this one. I'm starting to draw, and I'm going to use a pencil. You can use any pencil, and you can make it your own apple, any you want. Now I'm going to use some of my color pencils. I'm going to start with yellow because it's the base of the apple color. I like this yellow because it's really bright and great. I can already picture the apple in my head. It looks really juicy. But you can use any type of color pencils, but I'm using these ones because these are my favorite. You can sharpen your color pencils if you want. When you're done with your base, you can skip to the red part. And don't forget, you have to follow where the apple is facing, and you have to follow it. You can't just do a straight line. If you do it like a curving like that, it might look realistic. Don't forget to leave those little dots. Oh, and one more thing. You can mix up the yellow with your red, and if there's any really bright places, it's okay. You can erase a little bit of it, and then you can mix it a little bit with the red or yellow. Just like in my apple, there's a really dark kind of yellow there with the spot. I'm going to mix it there. And then as you can see now, it kind of is like it's mixing in with it. And if you forget how to draw it, it's alright. And you can also get a model of an apple, and you can copy yours, and you don't have to copy mine because we all can draw it differently. All of the apples are different. But if you don't have an apple, you can go buy one at a grocery store, or you can imagine one. Or you can go to an apple farm to pick some. Those are really fresh and juicy. You can also put a little bit of shading where the stem is a little bit there. So you can because sometimes there's some apples where there's like a little bit of shading, like a shade. Like sometimes there's trees covering the ground and there's like a shade. It's just like this apple. There's a little bit of that covering it, and in the bottom, there's like a little bit of those like thingies. If your red is way too light, you can make it a little bit darker, but not really dark. Put the most darkest on the bottom. And also you can make a little bit of light on the top in a circle, because sometimes there's the light covering a little bit on the top, so it would look a little bit realistic. If you want, you can also draw one for a gift, like a card, on the front of the gift card. You can also give it to friends and family, like in autumn. Apple means safe and happy. And some other fruits can mean like other meanings, like happy stuff. Right now, I'm going to erase a little bit of the color so I can put a little bit of some light. Because some apples, well, probably almost every apple, they have light because there are lights covering it, just like how you cover a cake with frosting. That's funny. Now I am going to draw the shadow of the apple. Every real fruit, when there is light, they have a shadow when there is light here. When you have a shadow, it looks realistic. Yum! I think it looks really tasty now. Fade it with some darkest to lightest. I'm almost finished with my apple. Do you like it? If you did, comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe and like me. Bye! See you next time for more art.